Now let's do this list of basic math na maraming nagkakamali. If you're watching this, I hope at the end of this video you will learn something. Something that I hope you will never forget. Because some of you once forget it, especially percentage. And exponent with negative pace. Order of operation, also known as Pemdas. And division of fractions. Question number 1. 1/2% of 100 is what? Ang iba ay sasagot na 50. That is wrong. Unless kung ang tanong ay 50% of 100 is 50. Ang tanong dito ay 1/2% of multiplication yan. 100 is what? 1/2% hindi siya pareho sa is not equal to 50%. Hindi siya equal. 1/2% or 0.5%. Para ma-cancel out itong percentage sign, 0.005. I-move mo yung decimal to the left side twice. So 0.005 times 100 equals 0.5. In other words, pinakamadali. Total ang minomultiply nito ay 100 lang naman. Cancel out mo lang si percent sign. Ito lang naman ang sagot, 1/2. Letter B, 1/2 or 0.5. Kung nalilito ka, uulitin natin. I-convert muna natin into equation. 1/2% of multiplication yan. 100 is equal yan siya of what? Itong 1/2% ay hindi sila pareho sa 50%. Hindi siya pareho. Kasi pareho silang may percent sign. So, doon ka mag-focus sa number niya. Itong isa, fraction, ang ito, 50. So, mas malaki si 50. Ito, 1/2 lang. So, meaning, itong 1/2 ay equivalent ng 0.5%. So, kung i-convert mo pa yan para ma-cancel out itong percent sign na yan, i-divide mo yan ng 100% or mag-move ka ng dalawang decimal to the left side, dalawang decimal place to the left side. So, ito ay 0.005. So, i-multiply mo yan ng 100, babalik din yan sa 0.5 or 1/2. So, ang sagot nito ay letter B. Ang pangit na ng mga sinusulat ko dito. Ang pinakamadaling gawin, para ma-cancel out si percent sign, mag-divide ka ng 100, nag-multiply ka ng 100, nag-divide, nag-multiply, cancel mo lang yan siya. Ito na yung sagot, 1/2 or 0.5. Question number 2. Convert 1/2% to decimal form. When we convert any numbers na may percent sign, mag-divide tayo ng 100% para ma-cancel out itong percent sign na yan. So, 1/2%. Cancel out mo yan, 1/2 divided by 100, and this is division of fraction. Division maging multiplication, reciprocal ni 100, 1 over 100. And this is 1 over 200. 1 over 200 is the same as 0.005. Another way, i-convert mo itong 1/2% into decimal muna, 0.5%. I-move mo yung decimal to the left side twice. So, that means 0.005. So, ang sagot dito ay letter B. Yung iba sa inyo, ang sagot ay 0.5. Mali yan. Unless itong 0.5 ay mayroong percent sign. Ang nasa choices walang percent sign. Mali ang 0.5. Ito ang sagot, letter B. Question number 3. 0.5% is equal to what? Ang iba ay sasagot ng 50%. Again, 0.5%. Mas maliit pa siya sa 1%. So, mali ang 50%. 0.5% is equivalent to 0.5%. Ang 1/2, pariho lang yan sa 0.5. Unless kung ang tanong ay 1/2 is equal to, wala yung percent na yan, 1/2 is equal to 50%. Pero nandyan yung percent. 0.5% is equal to 0.5%. Question number 4. Exponent tayo with negative base. Negative 4 raised to 2. Nasa loob ng parenthesis sila lahat. Ang iba sa inyo, ang sagot ay positive 16. Mali yan. I-review muna natin yung mga references natin with regards to exponent with negative base. Dito tayo sa purplemath.com. Simplify, basahin ko ha, i-observe nyo ng mabuti. Simplify this negative 3 raised to 2. Yung negative 3, si negative at saka si 3 nasa loob ng parenthesis. The square means multiplied against itself with 2 copies of the base. This means that I'll have 2 minus signs which I can cancel. So, bali, negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9. Tingnan nyo yung next na example dito. Negative 3 raised to 2. Ibig sabihin nito, yung 3 lang ang ni-raise ng 2 at hindi kasama si negative. So, ang nangyayari dito, ang negative, nasa labas lang siya. Basahin natin dito. In the second exercise, bali itong pangalawang example natin dito, the square to the power 2 was only on the 3. It was not on the minus sign. Those parentheses in the first exercise, itong unang example nila, make all the difference. Ingatan natin ang mga yan. Kasi once na meron siya sa isang equation, kapag dito pa lang sa may negative base with exponent, lalo na pag even ang exponent, tapos magkamali ka sa sagot mo, yung the rest na, yung final answer mo bali, mali na. Hanap tayo ng iba pang reference. Dito naman tayo sa coolmath.com about exponents with negative base. Basahin natin. Are these the same? Itong negative 5, parehong nasa loob ng parenthesis, tsaka siya ni-raise ng 2 or even number, and negative 5 raised to 2. Walang parenthesis si negative 5. Ang tanong, pareho ba silang dalawa? Sagot dito ay hindi. Itong isa, negative 5, tapos nasa loob sila ng parenthesis, tsaka siya ni-raise ng 2, ibig sabihin yan ay negative 5 times negative 5, and that is positive 25. Doon tayo sa pangalawa. Negative 5 raised to 2, nawala na yung parenthesis sa negative 5 mismo. This negative is out in front and not locked into the 5. So, bali, the negative stays out in front. Ang 5 lang ang i-multiply natin. 5 times 5 equals 25 at kopyahin yung negative, so negative 25. Ngayon, balikan natin ito. Ang given, merong parenthesis. Pero, anong pagkakaiba nitong negative 4, nasa loob ng parenthesis, tsaka siya ni-raise ng 2. Ibig sabihin nito, negative 4 times negative 4. So, ito, positive 16. Pero, ang nasa given ay ito ang nasa given. Erase natin to. So, ito ang nasa given. Ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay lahat sila, yung negative 4 raised to 2. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, yung negative out in front daw, si 4 lang ang i-multiply natin ng dalawa. So, this is 16, tsaka yung negative, so negative 16. Ang sagot dito ay letter B, negative 16. I-double check natin sa calculator. Doon tayo sa calculator. Negative 4 raised to 2. I-erase natin yung automatic na parenthesis dyan para pareho na siya sa mismong tanong natin. Negative 4 raised to 2. Pareho na siya. So, ang sagot dyan ay negative 16. I-equal natin para mas klaro. Negative 16. Question number 5. Negative 5 raised to 2 plus negative 5 na nasa loob ng parenthesis raised to 2. Ang iba ay sasagot ng letter A. Mali yan. Ito, kung naintindihan nyo yung question number 4 natin, ito, ang equivalent nito ay negative 25. Ito naman ay positive 25. Kaya kung i-add si negative 25 at positive 25, ang sagot niyan ay 0. Letter B. Isa-isahin natin. Isa-isahin. Si negative 5 raised to 2. Si negative, hindi kasali. Yung 5 lang ang i-multiply natin. So, this is 25 at saka yung negative, kopyahin lang. So, ang sagot dito ay negative 25 plus negative 5 raised to 2. So, ito yung i-multiply natin. Negative 5 times negative 5 and that is positive 25. So, itong si positive 25, negative 25 plus positive 25, ang sagot dyan ay 0. I-double check natin sa calculator. So, we have negative 5 raised to 2 plus negative 5 raised to 2. Pag-erase muna natin yung mga automatic na yan, mga automatic na parentheses. So, ang sagot dito ay 0. Negative 5 raised to 2, pareho. Next, negative 5 ang nasa loob ng parentheses, tsaka siya ni-raise ng 2. So, ang sagot dito ay 0. Question number 6. If 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5, then how about 1/2 divided by 1/2? Ang iba ay sasagot din ng 0.25 kasi daw pareho lang silang nag-divide. Huwag kalimutan na meron tayong tinatawag na division of fraction. Sa division of fraction, kopyahin muna natin. Ito, yung dinidivide natin, kukopyahin lang siya. Si division maging multiplication at ang reciprocal ng divisor natin 2/1. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. This is 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. So, 2/2 is equals to 1. So, ang sagot dito ay letter B. Mag-review tayo with regards to slash versus nitong ganito. Basahin natin itong nasa elementary algebra. Dito tayo sa order of operation. Number 1. Perform the operations within grouping symbols. If the expression contains grouping symbols within a grouping symbol, simplify first the innermost group. The grouping symbols often used in algebra are parentheses, brackets, braces, and the fraction line. Uulitin ko, fraction line, and the radical sign. Ang number 2 ay evaluate the exponential expressions. Number 3, multiply and divide from left to right. Number 4, add and subtract from left to right. Ang unang gagawin natin sa order of operation or yung tinatawag na Pemdas ay yung letter P or yung step number 1 natin ay perform the operations within grouping symbols. Yung grouping symbols, nandyan si fraction line kasi si fraction line ay group of number na mayroong numerator at denominator. So, yun ang unahin natin. Yung division, nasa step number 3 pa siya. So, unahin muna natin yung fraction. Balikan natin yung example natin. Kalimutan muna natin itong division of fraction. Doon tayo sa order of operation na uunahin yung grouping. Ito yung group. Merong numerator at saka denominator. I-solve muna natin yan. And that is 0.5 divided by 0.5. Mas klaro na. 0.5 divided by 0.5. Ang sagot dyan ay 1. So, letter B. Question number 7. Ang mga operations na andito ay addition, subtraction, division, at saka multiplication. So, kailangan nating isolve ito by using order of operations para maging tama yung sagot natin. Yung iba ay sasagot ng 13. Mali yan siya. Bakit 13 ang sagot nila? Kasi inuna nila yung multiplication bago yung division. Inauna yung division dito. Tapos, tsaka sila nag-add at nag-deduct. Mali yun. I-review muna natin yung mga references natin about nito kung paano ito sagutan ng tama. Dito tayo sa matholymath.com about Pemdas Rule. Easy and simple way to remember Pemdas Rule. P for parenthesis first, E for exponent, powers, square roots, cube roots, etc. MD, multiplication and division, start from left to right. Then AS, addition and subtraction, start from left to right. Let's read the note. Start, multiply, or divide from left side to right side since they perform equally. Second, start addition or subtraction from left side to right side since they perform equally. Kung hindi ka makapaniwala dyan kasi nasa internet ko lang siya kinuha, basahin natin umpisa sa grade 4 textbook. Ito yung grade 4 textbook. Ang tanong dito, which one is correct? Kapag 64 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2, is it letter A na multiplication muna bago yung division? Is it letter B na left to right? Is it letter C na right to left? Ang answer dito ay letter B. From left to right. Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter B. Another example kapag addition at subtraction. Ang tanong dito, nasa grade 4 textbook pa tayo. Ang tanong dito, which of the answers is correct? Kapag 84 minus 25 plus 13 minus 7. Is it letter A na from left to right? Is it letter B na unahin muna yung addition tsaka yung subtraction? Is it letter C na from right to left? Ang answer dito ay letter A. To make sure we will all arrive at the same answer, the order of operations was agreed upon. Since there is only addition and subtraction in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter A. Grade 4 textbook. Dito tayo sa grade 5 textbook. A series of operations may also involve grouping symbols and exponents. In solving series of operations, the following rules can be used. Rule number 1, simplify the operation inside the grouping symbols first. Grouping symbols are always done from the innermost set outward. Rule number 2, evaluate exponential expressions. Rule number 3, multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Rule number 4, add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. I-review natin yung grade 6 textbook. The following is the order of operations. Number 1, compute the expressions in parentheses first. Second, evaluate exponents. Third, multiply or divide from left to right. Take note, multiply or divide from left to right. So, kung alin ang nauna? Kung nauna si division, unahin yung division bago yung multiplication. Pero kung nauna si multiplication bago ang division, unahin ang multiplication bago ang division. Next, add or subtract from left to right. Meaning, kung alin ang mauna. Kung nauna si addition kaysa subtraction, unahin si addition. Pero kung nauna si subtraction kaysa addition, unahin si subtraction. Grade 6 textbook. Another reference from study.com. Here's an explanation of the rules given in Pemdas. P as the first letter means you complete any calculations in grouping symbols first. Next, look for exponents, yung E. Ignore any other operation and take any numbers with exponents to the respective powers. Number 3. Even though M for multiplication in Pemdas comes before D for division, these two operations actually have the same priority. Complete only those two operations in the order they occur from left to right. Number 4. Even though A for addition is in Pemdas before S for subtraction, these two operations also have the same priority. You look for these two last operations from left to right and complete them in that order. Balikan natin ang question number 7. Ang tanong, kaya na ba natin itong sagutan ng tama? Ang nandito, again, ay addition, subtraction, division, at saka multiplication. Sa order of operation, may tinatawag na Pemdas. Uulitin lang natin. Ang P, parenthesis, wala sa given. So, dito tayo sa E. Ang E ay exponent. Wala ring exponent sa given. Next, multiplication or division. In the order, they appear from left to right. Dito tayo mag-focus muna. Nauna ang division, so unahin natin si division bago ang multiplication. 6 divided by 2, and that is 3. Next, 3 times 3 equals 9. So ito, ang sagot dito ay 9. I-rewrite natin, 12 plus 2 minus 9. Next, addition or subtraction. Pareho lang yan, rank equally. So we will solve them from left to right. Nauna ang addition, so unahin natin. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. So ang sagot dito ay letter B, 5. I-double check natin sa calculator. Kaya ang calculator, nakaprogram siya sa order of operation. So, this is 12 plus 2 minus, ano nga ba yun? 6 divided by 2 times 3. Pareho na ba? 12 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Pareho na. The answer here is 5. So, ang sagot natin na letter B ay tama. Next, number 8. 12 divided by 3 times 4. Again, may dalawang operation ang andito. May division at saka multiplication. Sa order of operation, ito yung step 1, walang parenthesis. Step 2, exponent, wala. So, ignore mo yan. Next, multiplication and division ang nandito. Sa step number 3 na multiplication and division, they rank equally, meaning we will solve them from left to right. Ang nauna dito ay division, so unahin natin. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So ang sagot dito ay 16. Mali ang 1. I-double check natin sa calculator. 12 divided by 3 times 4, and the answer here is 16. So, tama. Balikan natin yung sinulat ko dito. Hindi lahat na nagsasabing Pemdas ay tama na ang sagot, kaya alamin kung bakit. I hope by this time, alam nyo na kung bakit 16 ang tamang sagot at hindi yung 1. Number 9. 20 divided by 1/2. Ang iba sa inyo ay sasagot ng 10. Mali yan. Remember, slash yan versus itong ganitong division. Pareho lang siyang magkapag-divide, pero ito ay fraction line or group siya na may numerator at saka denominator. This is also the same as 20 divided by 0.5. So, ang answer dito ay 40 or division of fraction. So, kopyahin si 20. Ang division maging multiplication at reciprocal ni 1/2 ay 2/1. Ang 2/1 ay pareho lang sa whole number na 2. So, 20 times 2 equals 40. Ang tamang sagot dito ay letter B, 40. Number 10, 100 divided by 1/2. Ang iba ay sasagot ng 50. Mali yan. Again, uulitin ko lang. 100 divided by, pareho lang yan sa 0.5. Ang sagot dyan ay 200. Fraction line na belong siya sa parenthesis o yung grouping, bali. So, yun yung step 1 ng order of operation. Uunahin natin ito bago ang division. Or, isipin nyo na lang, meron tayong division of fraction. 100 divided by 1/2. Kopyahin lang si 100, ang division maging multiplication, reciprocal ni 1/2, 2/1. So, pwede na siyang i-multiply natin and that is 200. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay letter B, 200.